Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jillian, for those of you who do not know, and I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. As you can see, I don't have any makeup on, so we're going to be starting fresh. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to begin with doing my eyebrows right now, and to do my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Brow Blade by Urban Decay. And this is shade Top Hay. Alright, so it does have this little felt tip, and then also this crayon end. Oop. So you can go ahead and use whichever you prefer. I like to start with this side. So I did go ahead and pick up some lashes today while I was out because I have a little photo shoot action going on later. So we're gonna do some lashes. Alright y'all, so I have some freaking mad tea. My boss is literally out to get me, and so is his boss. Both of them are out to get me and don't ever want to see me get promoted. I haven't seen them do this to anybody else, and I'm not gonna allow them to control me, and I haven't. I think that's what's making them push back at me. So I'm having some issues at work. Alright, so here are the eyebrows for now. Probably gonna go back and finish them up, but we're gonna move on. Next step, I'm gonna go ahead and do some eyeshadow. I do have a few outfits that I'm gonna be wearing, so we're just gonna do neutral so they match all of them, because can't go wrong with Milani. So I've been using this in my past few videos, but it's just such a good palette. I'll give you that nice little review again. So I'm gonna grab my little eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna start with this color, Bear in the Mind. Okay, so one of my dresses is literally green and pink. So I'm like, do I just do this color eyeshadow and nothing else? Because I don't really want brown. And I wish that I could just do green and pink makeup, but my other outfits are like beige and shit. So it's like... Yeah, one night I really want to do like some cute ass like pink makeup look with that dress. Like that'd be so cute. Alright, so now I'm going to be doing my eyeliner with the Master Precise All Day from Maybelline. I don't even know if I was recording. However, I just put some Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation on my Wet Beauty Blender. This is shade 5. I'm just spreading it all over. Next, we're going to go ahead and do some contour. And that is with our Kat Von D Shade and Light Cream Palette. Alright, now I'm just going to blend in this contour. Alright, so now we're going to get our Shape Tape from Tarte. And this is concealer. And it is running a little freaking dry, so I'm going to have to go get a new concealer. I wasn't even recording and I just said a bunch of stuff. But yeah, we're fully blended, it looks like. So yeah, I'll just eat that. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put on a little bit of Lash Primer. Alright y'all, so my phone died, but here I am back again. Now we're going to go ahead and put on our lashes. I just got these lashes at Target, and they're Eyeliner London. Don't know how to really pronounce that. Luxe Cashmere. And I'm a little pissed off. I just realized I forgot something at Target, so I'm going to have to ask my dad if we can go back, and I think he's going to get really mad. So, we love that. These really weird tweezers for the lashes. We're going to try and use them. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my right lash. Alright, so I was a little scared to use the Eyeliner lashes because I just never really heard of them, and I have a big event going on today, so I couldn't risk these not being cute. But I'm so satisfied they went on very easily, so I recommend this brand. for sure, and I got them at Target. Right, so we got on our falsies. Now, next step is I'm going to take the Go Big or Go Home Kat Von D mascara and put on a little bit of bottom lashes just to make these more matchy-matchy. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use this blush today from the Adeline Moraine palette because it's just very vibrant. It will look great on camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this fan brush and get out some highlight from the same palette. And this one highlight is called Promise Ring. This is essentially our makeup. I'm just going to go ahead and unpin my hair. And I also do have this really cute peach tinsel powder, so we're going to go ahead and... Alright, so I got some of the powder. It's a lot of glittery. Alright, so basically this is our finished look for today. Watching, I appreciate all of your support. Stay tuned for many more videos to come. If you have anything that you want to see, go ahead and just comment that below. Thank you!